हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल बेंचमार्क स्टडी। सो आज हम करने वाले हैं मंथली एमसीक्यू सीरीज जनवरी का पार्ट 2। अगर आपने पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा है तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसका लिंक आपको प्रोवाइड कर दूंगी, ठीक है, आप देख लीजिएगा उसे। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का सेशन हमारा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज विच मिनिस्ट्री लॉन्च NEAT 3.0 free edtech solution and courses for students? So here answer is option number B, that is Ministry of Education. Question number 2 is in January 2022, Dash Ministry in partnership with Common Service Centers to undertake India's Dash Cultural Survey of its villages titled मेरा गांव मेरी धरोहर through a mobile application. So आपका ये है मिनिस्ट्री, ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द राइट आंसर। मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर ने ये जो है सर्वे ऑर्गेनाइज करवाया है एंड ये फर्स्ट ऐसा सर्वे है जो इंडिया में होगा। Question number 3 is which state becomes first LPG enabled and smoke free Indian state? So अगर आपको आंसर पता है तो जल्दी मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए। Here answer is option number C, that is Himachal Pradesh. Question number 4 is Assure Power Global Limited commissioned Dash Megawatt SECI project in Dash. It is the largest single site solar project in India. So here answer is option number D, that is 600 megawatt का ये प्रोजेक्ट है और ये राजस्थान में इसका सेटअप किया गया है। Question number 5 is RBI releases framework for small value offline digital payments in offline mode. Which of the following statement is incorrect? So पहले go through करते हैं सारे points को। First point is the upper limit of a offline payment transaction was fixed at rupees 200. Second, the total limit on the payment instrument be at 2000 rupees 2000 at any point in the time. Third is the offline payment will require an additional factor of authentication. Fourth is the customer will receive delayed alert through SMS and or email since the transactions are offline. Fourth is offline payments shall be covered under the provision of RBI's limited customer liability direction on prepaid payment instruments. So here answer is option number C, that is incorrect। क्या है इसमें? offline payment will require an additional factor of authentication. तो इसमें जो है authentication की जो है requirement नहीं है। Question number 6 is NPCI Bharat Bill Pay Limited launched UPMS to simplify recurring bill payments. UPMS acronym is, so basically its full form is option number A, that is Unified Presentment Management System. Question number 7 is CryptoWire launched India's Dash Index of cryptocurrencies named Dash. So ये फर्स्ट एवर हमारा जो है इंडेक्स लॉन्च किया गया है, ठीक है, इंडिया की तरफ से। सो हियर आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी एंड इसका नाम है IC15। Question number 8 is who became the first women of colors to make solo trip to South Pole? So here answer is option number B, that is Harpreet Chandi. Question number 9 is who was appointed as a new Director General of National Mission for Clean Ganga? So here answer is option number C, that is G Ashok Kumar जो है इसके डायरेक्टर जनरल बनाए गए हैं, ठीक है, और इन्हें द रेन मैन ऑफ इंडिया के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। Question number 10 is as per the data of Dash Ministry, India achieves highest ever export of USD 37.29 billion in December 2021. So here answer is option number D, that is Ministry of Commerce and Industries. Question number 11 is in January 2022, which company becomes the first company to touch 3 trillion market cap across the globe? So here answer is option number A, that is Apple. Question number 12 is Alka Mittal was appointed as the first woman chairman and managing director of which organization on additional charge? So your answer is option number A, that is ONGC. And इन्हें succeed किया है सुभाष कुमार को। Question number 13 is Ministry of Science and Technology launched the web portal for PM's Award for Excellence in Public Administration for the year 2021-2022. The prize money for the award is increased from rupees dash to dash. So पहले ये 10 लाख हुआ करता था, ठीक है, अब ये बढ़ाकर 20 लाख कर दिया गया है, ठीक है। So your answer is option number D, that is 10 lakh. Sorry, option number E is the right answer. मैं यहाँ पे इसको हटा देती हूँ ताकि आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन ना हो। सो हेयर आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर E, दैट इज 10 लाख 20। 10 लाख पहले इसकी धनराशि थी, अभी ये 20 लाख कर दी गई है। Question number 14 is World Braille Day is annually observed across the globe on. So here answer is option number D, that is 4th of January. And Louis Braille जो है इनकी बर्थ एनिवर्सरी होती है वर्ल्ड ब्रेली डे के दिन. ठीक है, तो इस बार हमने सेलिब्रेट की है 213th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी ऑफ लुइस ब्रेली. Question number 15 is which bank introduced market making scheme to promote PDs to trade in RD schemes? So your answer is option number C, that is Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI. Question number 16 is the Reserve Bank of India cancelled the certificate of authorization of the two payment system operators. First is your Muthoot Vehicle and Asset Finance, and second and dash for the non-compliance with regulatory requirements. So second company है आपकी Eco India Financial Service Limited. So here A is the right answer. Question number 17 is name the bank that won the UiPath Automation Excellence Award 2021 for the best automation under crisis for business continuity. So your answer is option number C, that is South Indian Bank. Question number 18 is name the Indian numerologist who has achieved the first ever Guinness World Record in numerology. So your answer is option number B, that is J.C. Chaudhary. Question number 19 is Bank of Baroda appointed which Indian women cricketer as its brand endorser of the bank. So your answer is option number C, that is इन्होंने बनाया है शिफाली वर्मा को as its brand endorser. Question number 20 is Ajay Kumar Chaudhary and Deepak Kumar appointed as executive directors of which of the following organization? So your answer is option number D, that is Reserve Bank of India. Okay, दीपक कुमार जो है वो चीफ जनरल मैनेजर बने हैं एंड अजय कुमार चौधरी जो है वो चीफ जनरल मैनेजर इन चार्ज बने हैं. Question number 21 is Power System Operation Corporation Limited, that is POSOCO Day is annually observed on. So your answer is option number C, that is ये मनाया जाता है आपका 3rd of January को. Question number 22 is in January 2022, social worker Sindhu Tai Sapkal passed away in Pune, Maharashtra. She was awarded with the Nari Shakti Puraskar in dash. So इन्हें नारी शक्ति पुरस्कार जो है वो 2017 में दिया गया था. That is option number C is the right answer. So she was popularly known as mother of orphaned children. Question number 23 is who wrote the book titled Gandhi's Assassin, The Making of Nathuram Godse and His Idea of India? So your answer is option number E, that is ये book लिखी गई है धीरेन्द्र झा के द्वारा. Question number 24 is which state stood first in the list of highest number of open defecation free plus villages under the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin phase 2nd program till 31st December 2021. So your answer is option number D, that is ये state है आपका तेलंगाना. Question number 25 is new coronavirus variant named IHU B.1.640.2 was discovered in dash. So ये discover किया गया है आपका option number C, that is France में. Question number 26 is the NPCI in collaboration with Dash announced the introduction of Unified Payment Interface, that is UPI AutoPay for the telecom industries. So your answer is option number A, that is Reliance Jio. Question number 27 is which general insurance company launched Bahane Chholo Tax Bachao campaign on the tax savings? So your answer is option number C, that is SBI General Insurance Corporation Limited. Now question number 28 is who was reappointed as a chairman of the Commissioner for Agricultural Cost and Prices, that is CACP. So your answer is option number B, that is Vijay Paul Sharma. Question number 29 is World Day for War Orphans is annually celebrated across the world on. So your answer is option number C, that is 6th of January. Question number 30 is which organization inked pact with Industrial Promotion and Investment Corporation of Odisha for the production of eco-friendly fuels in the state? So your answer is option number B, that is GAIL, GAIL. Question number 31 is Citizen partnered with which state government to provide life certificate to pensioners? So your answer is option number E, that is Orissa. So Orissa government ने partnership की है Citizen के साथ for providing the life certificates to pensioners. Question number 32 is which state/UT inks pact with Lulu Group to set up food processing and logistics in the state? So your answer is option number B, that is JNK. Question number 33 is Ganjam district of Dash has declared itself as the first child marriage free district in the state. So आपका गंजम डिस्ट्रिक्ट पड़ता है आपका उड़ीसा में. So here option number A is the right answer. Question number 34 is Lusong, जिसे नामसोंग भी बोला जाता है, is annually celebrated across which Indian state? It marks beginning of the harvest season. So ये आपका मनाया जाता है सिक्किम में. So option number E is the right answer. Question number 35 is which country signed an agreement with India to jointly redevelop the strategic World War II era Trincomalee oil tank complex, that is Trinco oil tank farm, for a lease period of 50 years? So your answer is option number D, that is Sri Lanka. Now question number 36 is the Japan signed a landmark defense treaty named the Reciprocal Access Agreement, जिसे आप RAA भी कहते हैं, to encounter China's expansionary military and economic policies with which of the following country? So your answer is option number B, that is ये जापान ने ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ मिलके ये जो ट्रीटी है वो साइन की है. Question number 37 is identify the country which is not a part of a US-led multilateral anti-submarine warfare, that is ASW exercise Sea Dragon. So Dragon से आपको पता चल गया होगा. Here answer is option number C, that is China. Question number 38 is RBI increased banks LCR maintenance on funds received from non-financial small business customers to rupees 7.5 crore from Dash. So here answer is option number D, that is 5 करोड़ से ये 7.5 CR कर दिया गया है. Question number 39 is name the payment bank that collaborated with Park Plus to offer fast tax based smart parking solutions to Morakyu commercial and residential properties across India. So here answer is option number A, that is Airtel Payment Bank. Now question number 40 is Ministry of External Affairs inks pact with which company for second phase of Passport Seva program? So here answer is option number B, that is ये partnership की गई है with the TCS. Here question number 41 is who is the new Secretary General of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization and for how many years? So यहाँ पे जो है option B is the right answer. Zhang Ming जो है इसके न्यू सेक्रेटरी जनरल है एंड ये इन्हें 2 साल के लिए सेक्रेटरी जनरल बनाया गया है. Question number 42 is One Nation One Standard scheme was launched in Dash with an aim to ensure there is a synergy and no overlap in the standardization work in the country. So your answer is option number D. ये आपकी लाई गई थी 2019 में, ठीक है. एंड BIS ने अभी लॉन्च किया है रिसेंटली BIS केयर ऐप, ठीक है, फॉर द कस्टमर इन दिसंबर 2021. सो ये आपके एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो इसे आप नोट कर लीजिए. Now question number 43 is the experimental advanced superconducting tokamak, that is EAST, which is known as Chinese artificial sun, has achieved the continuous high temperature plasma operation for dash second at a dash degree Celsius. So here answer is option number B, that is option number D, that is 1056 seconds and इसका जो डिग्री था टेम्परेचर था that is 70 million degree. Question number 44 is Nordibirek Abdustravo won the World Rapid Chess Championship of 2021. He is a player of which country? So here option number C is the right answer. He is from the Uzbekistan. Question number 45 is which organization partnered with the Akshay Patra Foundation, that is TAPF, to enhance the effectiveness of the Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirman, that is PM Poshan scheme? So your answer is option number B, that is World Food Program. Question number 46 is the Power Ministry successfully completed dash years of distributing and selling LED lights under its flagship Unnat Jyoti by affordable LEDs for all program, that is for Ujala program. So your answer is option number D, that is इन्होंने complete किए हैं 7 years. Okay. Now question number 47 is which country became the 102nd member of International Solar Alliance by signing the International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement, the India-led Global Green Energy Initiative? So your answer is option number C, that is Antigua and Barbuda ने ये Barbuda जो है 102nd member बने हैं ISA के. Now question number 48 is RBI granted scheduled payment bank status to which of the following payment bank recently in the January 2022 by including it into the second schedule of the RBI Act 1934. So here again option number D is the right answer, that is Airtel Payment Bank. Question number 49 is Dash inaugurated India's first and unique open rock museum at the campus of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, National Geophysical Research Institute, that is CSIR NGRI at Dash. So ये inaugurate किया था जितेंद्र सिंह ने at the Hyderabad. So option number C is the right answer. Question number 50 is which of the following point are correct with which are approved by cabinet. So first we will go through the points. So statement क्या है आपके? First statement कहता है Intrastate Transmission System GEC phase second worth rupees 12 crore 331.333 crore rupees in 5 states. Second statement is India and Turkmenistan signed MOU on cooperation in disaster management. Third is India and Nepal for construction of bridge over Mahakali River signed a MOU. ठीक है, also approved agreement between the India and the Spain on cooperation in customs matters. So here आपके दो points सही हैं, that is option number 2 and option number 3. Sorry, statement number 2 and 3 are the correct. So here answer is option number D, that is only 2 and 3 are correct. अब बात करते हैं statement 1 की. Statement 1 में आपका क्या चीज गलत है? यहाँ पे 5 states की जगह यहाँ पे 7 states होना चाहिए. Okay. Question 51 is which ministry launched 6 food products, 1 district, 1 product branch under the Pradhan Mantri Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme at Panchsheel Bhavan. So here answer is option number A, that is Ministry of Food Processing Industry. So अभी यहाँ पे जो है 6 ब्रांड को लॉन्च किया गया था. कौन कौन से ब्रांड्स थे ये? अमृत फल, कोरी गोल्ड, कश्मीरी मंत्रा, मधु मंत्रा, सोमदाना and whole wheat cookies of Delhi Bakes. So ये 6 brands थे जो इसमें include किए गए हैं. Question number 52 is which ministry with National Institute of Urban Affairs, that is NIUA, and 15 leading Indian academic institution has launched Smart Cities and Academy Awards Action and Research, that is SAAR program. So here answer is option number B. ये launch किया है Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs ने. Question number 53 is which of the following point are correct with respect to the 19th meeting of the National Tiger Conservation Authority, that is NTCA, was chaired by Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav in January 2022. So first we will go through these statements. So statement number 1 says 50 cheetahs will be introduced in the next 5 years in various parks under the action plan for reintroduction of cheetah in India. Second says, he announces that 14 tiger reserves across India have received accreditation of the Global Conservation Assured Tiger Standards, that is CATS. Okay. Third statement says, he also introduced water atlas mapping all the water bodies in the tiger bearing area of India. So here all 3 statements are correct. So option number E is the right answer, that all 1, 2 and 3 are correct. So we are at the last question. Question number 54 is Jitendra Singh launched the theme of National Science Day 2022, that is Integrated Approach in Science and Technology for Sustainable Future. When do we celebrate National Science Day in India? So National Science Day है जो National Science Day है वो 28 फरवरी को मनाया जाता है, ठीक है, इंडिया में. एंड इसकी थीम आप लोगों को याद रखनी है, दैट इज इंटीग्रेटेड अप्रोच इन साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर सस्टेनेबल फ्यूचर. ओके, ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है और थीम आपसे पूछी जाती है बहुत बार. सो आई होप गाइस मेरा ये लेक्चर आपको अच्छा लगा होगा और आपके कुछ सजेशन है तो आप हमें benchmarkstudy007@gmail.com पे मेल कर सकते हैं या आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. सो मिलेंगे आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड हैव अ नाइस डे एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर प्रिपरेशंस.